Here and today, I went to the local hobby shop. They had some more of this Star Wars Black and White Empire Strikes Back, and I know I shouldn't buy more of it, but I couldn't help myself. Just love Star Wars stuff too much, so I had to pick it up. And plus, I want to try to get a little bit better autos than what I got, the ones I've gotten so far. Alright, so I think it'll be in the top pack. Just guessing. Alright, so these are beautiful cards. Or sepia, parallel, behind the scenes, insert. I'm going to separate out my inserts and stuff. Vader versus Luke. The cover shot right there. Sepia Princess Leia. That's like a concept art card. Han Solo. Love Han Solo. Behind the scenes. There's a sepia. There's a Yoda iconic character. Unfortunately, I already have the Yoda. I was hoping to get a different one that I don't have yet, but I can always use those to trade. The iconic characters are pretty hard to pull. Nice sepia card there. More behind the scenes. Our hit is right here. It looks like we got an auto. So let's set that there. The sepia card. Insert. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this last pack. So the hits should be on the bottom. First numbered card, green parallel. So maybe that means our auto's numbered because we only got one numbered card there. Alright. Yeah, you can tell it's blue. Yoda. 66 out of 99. Nice. Dave Barclay. That is cool. Puppeteer for Yoda. That is a pretty cool one right there. I love how the autographs look in this set. They did a great job. Even though they're stickers, they look really good. So we got a Yoda, Dave Barclay auto, and a green parallel. All right, stay tuned for more videos.